Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna restart the device to reset the battery sensor. We're gonna press the power button and volume up button on the right side, tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over into the Play Store and we want to search for battery widget. So this is very important, even though I have the battery here. If you don't have it, then I'll show you how to easily get it. First, we're gonna open up the Play Store, so I'm gonna wait for it to load now. Here we're gonna go over and search for battery widget Reborn, and we're gonna download the battery widget Reborn made by Tomasz Kubalik. I've used this app for quite some time now, and I feel like it's really great. We're gonna click open, and here we're gonna click consent and start automatically. Now we're gonna leave, and as you guys can see, we need to somehow pinch our screen, go to cards, and here we have widgets. Now as you guys can see here, you will find the widget. Of course, you can either scroll like that, or you can just type it in. It is at the bottom. We're gonna use this one right here. We can change how it looks like, but I'll keep it like this. And as you guys can see, we got our percentage. So we got 82% here, 82% there. If you see 0 here or you see nothing inside, then I would recommend going into authorized device support and tell them about the issue, because it might be a not working battery sensor. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.